Hello everyone, this is a new room on TryHackMe named Security Footage. As the task says, we have to perform digital forensics on a footage to recover it from camera. So we are given some task files. If we download them, we can see that they consist of just a single file, a pickup file. So if we try to open it up, what we can see is some traffic involved. Most of it is TCP. So what do we want to do now? We want to extract some images, since we know it's a video footage. Video consists of images, so if we follow the TCP stream, we can spot right away that we have a JPEG file. If we search for image, we can see that we have a stream of images. We can also see the boundary string here, which says that it's a stream of footage. So how can we extract all of these images from the file? We can use a simple Python script to do the job. So we can touch this. We can open it with our editor. Alright, so how do we get started? First of all, we have to import a regex module called re. We will use a regular expression later. You will see why. We want to extract the images. So next step is to open up the footage file, the pickup file we have been given. So with open, we can open as read, as f, we want to read the file, so we will use a variable name data to store the read of the file there. Okay, next step is to use this regular expression from this module to find all the JPEG files inside the pickup file and extract them. So let's name the variable matches. So we use, let's make it more beautiful. Okay, the rem module contains a function named findAll, which we can use to use the regular expression inside. So findAll, now how do we recognize the JPEG files in our pickup file? If we come over to the list of file signatures, we can see that a JPEG file starts with FFD8. Okay, so FFD8. Now we want to say that we can use everything. We don't care about everything else until the end of the file, so we can use the regular expression dot asterisk at question mark, and then we want the end of the file, so we use ff xd9, I believe it is. Yes, but what's the syntax here? let's see. Oh, okay, I should put it here. Then what we want to import the data variable, which is the contents of the file, of the pickup file. And then a very important step is to use the .all function, which will escape new line characters and continue with the rest of the files. That's very important here. Okay, this is the regular expression to extract the JPEG files from the pickup file. Then we must enumerate the file. So we will use two counters, one for the name of the files that will be produced and for the output. So for I, JPEG in enumerate matches, our regular expression, with open. Now we want to save its byte stream in a file so we can see the image. Okay, let's name it frame underscore. Then we will use the I counter. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, now we'll use some null bytes here, and then we'll wanna say that it's a decimal. Okay, .jpg. Alright, we want to write in these files, so wb, right, as let's call this out, and finally we write the JPEG. Alright, I believe the script is ready. So if we use Python 3 extractor.py, now we can see that we have all frames ready and we can read the flag successfully. But guys, I will not show you the flag. Also, if you want, you can use ffmpeg, use this command to generate a video out of these files. Let's test there. So you don't have to read every single image to complete the flag. Alright, I believe it's in the bottom. And successfully we can see that our flag is displayed in a video. And guys, that was it. I believe it was not a medium challenge room, but it was rather easy. So thank you for watching.